There is no way Jamaat Ahmadiyya can be eradicated. Hazrat Masih Maud alayhi salatu wassalam said, अगर इंसानों में से एक भी मेरे साथ ना हो तो खुदा के फरिश्ते मेरे साथ होंगे. The movement is at no risk. But is that true for you and I as well? Did Masih Maud Islam also give a guarantee that you put a label of Ahmadi and you're good to go? It doesn't work that way. No, sir. Allah has spread His seed all over the world. وَآخَرِينَ مِنْهُمْ لَمَّا يَلْحَقُوا بِهِمْ. That's about you. That's about us. That's how blessed we are. For a second, think about it. We are mentioned in Holy Quran. We are not worthy of anything. Not that we deserve it. It's just Allah's Sattari, just His shroud, just His cover. He knows the depths of our hearts. But yet He mentions you in Holy Quran. But that comes with a responsibility, my dear brothers and sisters. Making Ahmadiyyat successful is not the primary job given to us. Masih Maud alayhi salatu wassalam says, खुदा इस जमात को एक ऐसी कौम बनाना चाहता है जिसके नमूना से लोगों को खुदा याद आवे.